Yesterday, in the last session, we discussed about the theoretical part of enterprise structure, right? Or how the structure will be looks like, right? Today we are going to do the Today we are going to do the configuration for the enterprise structure. So this is the SAP GUI. Let me log on to our server. See, this is the home screen of SAP, which is nothing but SAP Easy Access. Here we can have a configuration navigations here. This folders is the navigation for shortcuts. Okay, instead of using the transaction codes, here you can see the small command box. Right? It is nothing but a command box. As you already know about it, like you are an end user, where we can enter the transaction codes to create the transaction data and also the master data as well the configuration data, right? So this is the menu path where we can do the configuration activity by using these paths, or else we have one transaction code called SPRO, okay, where all the modules, not only MM, ST, WM, what are the modules available in SAP, if they want to do any configuration activity, this transaction code is SPRO, okay. Enter. Here we need to click on SAP reference IMG. IMG means implementation guide. Okay, click on this button so that it will show the list of configurations. What are the configurations available in SAP? This is the configurations. Okay, all the modules, not MM, ST, PP, QM, WM. What are the modules are available in SAP? Those configurations all are available in the same transaction. Okay. Today we are going to do the enterprise structure configurations, right? So here you can see the enterprise structure. Okay, here you can see small drop down button arrow showing to right side, right? Just click on it. It will drop down the remaining inside configuration. Okay, and then let me open the PPT as well so that you can understand it better. See, here you can see, right, the enterprise structure. This is the structure of MM. Initially, what we need to define, Joseph, you can see the screen, right?
Screen.
Sorry. You can see, right? Hello, Joseph.
Yeah, Shekhar.
Okay. See here, initially what we need to define, like what is MM structure here? Purchasing organization, plant and storage location. This is the structure of MM.
Plant,
but yes. So in order to do that, we need to have a company and company code as well as controlling area. These will be defined by people, but it is a test server, right? But in order to use the assignments, we need to create that in test server. But in real time, we don't define those. Okay. So let me define the company. See, this is a go to definition. First, we need to define those, right? And go to financial accounting. And here you can see define company. Click on, here you can see small clock symbol, right? It is nothing but an execute button. Okay. We call it as an execute button. Click on that execute button. Here you can see so many companies are available. If you go to down, you can see, because it is a test server, so many people were creating their companies and they are practicing. Okay. But in real time, these many companies you can't see. Okay. Whatever the company, the client's company, you can see that only, right? Okay. But it is a test server. So many people are creating for their testing purpose, they are creating their companies. Now we are going to create our company. Click on new entries. Okay. Here you can see what is the companies. Everything have some code. Okay. We need to maintain that code. For example, we are creating a company called, let's say, assume Honda company. Honda. Let me maintain as Honda. Honda Automotives Limited. Its name, entire name, description. And what is the street? It's street. What is the street? Let's give me some street like. Some street name I'm giving. And postal code. Let me give it as you're in Hyderabad, right? Let me give me some code of Hyderabad.
50086.
50086. Okay. Let me give it here as Hyderabad. It is, let's assume the Honda company is located at Hyderabad. Okay. Country is India, right? IN is for India. Language key, let me give as English. And currency. What is the currency of Honda's company? If it is located at US, its currency is USD dollars.
Based on the currency.
Based on it, the currency will be varies. So let me give as INR, Indian rupee.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't know the code number, you can see every button is having a small square button. You can see, right? It will show you the list of currencies. It will show you the list of languages. It will show you the list of cities. Okay. Based on that, also you can select. Here you can see the list of currencies what are available. You remember something like Indian rupee. Okay. If you want to locate it, you can see a small find button here. Click on it, and let's me enter it India. Enter. Oh, it will be giving it is also having some India. Okay. Indian rupee. Let me give as a Indian rupee. See, found out the Indian rupee. So select. Click on enter. Now save it. Whenever you save it, the system is asking one transport request. Okay. See here. Save it. It is asking the one transport request here. It is already defined one transport request for another company. Okay. See why this transport request or customizing request? It is called as a customization request. We call it as a TR as well, transport request. Okay. Why it is asking? Okay, in real, I will explain you why the TR is asking every time if you do the configuration part. We have a separate session for this. Okay. Just for your understanding, I will tell you a simple line for this. Like whenever in real time, we will develop something in a system. If you want to move it to the client system, okay, this TR, whenever we move this TR number to client system, what are the changes you have done? What are the configuration you've done? It will be moved to the client system. That's the reason why every time if you do the configuration or changes, it will ask one transport request. Okay, let's assume like this. We'll have a separate session for this. I will explain each and everything in detail. Okay, Joseph. Click on create. Let me create a new transport here. Like Honda Pros. Honda motives. Okay. Okay. Now it was saved to on transport request. The company was defined. What is the next step we need to do? We need to define the company code now, right? Company code, it is having a number of general ledger accounts, what profit ledger accounts, revenue accounts. Okay, so many GLs are available in this system. So we don't have the proper knowledge to create each and every general account. So in order to creating it, we simply copy the existing company code and change its name. Okay, because we are not the FI consultants, right? We don't know about the general ledger accounts and all other things. So what we do is we simply copy the existing company code and we simply change the name of it. Here you can see edit, copy, delete, check company code. Execute this. And you can see the copy, delete, check company code. Put the cursor here and click on choose. Or else you can simply double click on it. Both will be the same. Okay, it will take you to the organizational object company code. Here you can see the small copy button here. Click on it. It will be asking from which company code to which company code you want to copy. We have a standard company code. Okay, we already had some standard company code will be given by the SAP server, that is 1000. Okay, Western Germany. I want to copy from 1000 to what is our company code, which will be having 4 digits. Let me give as a Honda Motors. Okay, HMOT. I'm giving as HMOT. Continue. It will be asking, do you want to copy the GL account company code data? Yes, I want to copy all the general ledger accounts from the 1000. Do you want to allocate a different local currency to the target company? Because the current company code is having a euros. Germany is in euros, right? But our company is in INR. So I want to change the. Sorry.
Yeah, go on, please.
Yeah. Our company code currency is INR, right? So I want to change it. It is asking me, do you want to allocate the different local currency to target company code? Yes. So I want to change euros to INR. Okay. Continue. And click on continue. Okay. It will be asking you to some confirmations. Do you want to really transport number ranges? Click no. Okay. Do not click yes, because as a MM consultants, we will create the number ranges. Okay. Click on no. It will be copying so many tables. Okay. From different kind of tables it is copying. See here down, you can see the percentage of it. It is copying. See, it is asking again the transport request. I want to save in the same transport request. Okay. If I want to create a new one, simply create new one. I want to save it in the same tier. See here, you can see Y01K900505. It is nothing but a transport request number. We call it as a TR number. It is copied. So click on cancel now. Do you want to copy further number range? Copy. Let's select as copy. Okay. Copy. So it was copied. See, company code 1000 copied to HMOT. Now go back. But the 1000 company code was copied to HMOT, but its descriptions, its address, all will be available 1000 company code only. Now we need to change those details. See here, you can see the edit company code data. Put the cursor here and click on choose, or else you can simply double click on it. It will be showing like list of company codes available, which the users are created like us. Okay, let me search for our company code. Here you can see small position button. It is nothing but a find button. Okay, click on this position button. What is our company code? HMOT, right? Search for our company code. It is search our company code here, right? Select this company code and click on details. See, its description is showing as Western Germany, but it is not our company code name. Click on details. Let me change the company code name. Okay, like I will be maintaining as Honda Motors Limited. Okay, and city I maintain as Hyderabad, and country is India. See, currency automatically taken because we already initiated it in earlier, right? So that is the reason why INR is taken automatically, and language is EN. Enter. Okay. Now its address, company code address, it is having some address only. It doesn't have much address details. Here you can see small address button. Okay, click on this button. See, this is the 1000 company codes address was available here. Let me delete all the details. As a Honda Motors. Okay. Search term. Whenever you want to search for this Honda Motors, what is the search term you want to use it? Like I want to use it as Honda. Street address. Let me give some street. I'm giving some random address. Okay.
Yeah.
86, right? Told me about it. Okay. Hyderabad and India. It is not, reason is nothing but a state. Okay. I think in this reason code, it doesn't updated as Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. That simply select as Andhra Pradesh. Okay. It is test server, right? It is not updated with that. If it is the company is having any telephone number, you can maintain it here. Fax, email address, what are the address you want to maintain it, you can maintain it. Okay, doesn't require otherwise. Now we maintained and we changed the description and address. Now we are going to save it. Whenever you save it, the system asks the transport request. Okay, continue. So it will be saved in the same transport. See here you can see data was saved. Go back. But the next thing you want to create, right? We created company code. Now we are going to create controlling area. Go back now. Close this financial accounting and go to controlling now. Here you can see the maintain controlling area. Okay. Click on maintain controlling area. Here you can see the entries like click on this maintain controlling area. Choose. Here you can see so many controlling areas, right? So let me do one thing. Let me maintain the new one. See here, we can create a new controlling area, or else we can have a option that controlling area equal to company code. That means we can maintain as controlling area. I mean, company code is nothing but a controlling area. I'm maintaining it as company code. What it is asking, like, you want to maintain as controlling area equal to company code. Then what is your company code? The system is asking, what is your company code? What is our company code? HMOT, right? Yes. But I want to change the description now because it is not Honda Motors Limited. It is a Honda controlling area. Here you need to select as controlling area as same as the company code. Okay. You don't worry about it. This task will be done by FI consultant. We don't need to done in real time. Okay.
Yeah.
Just for we want to use the plant and storage location. You want to use them. You need to assign it to the company code and company. Okay. That is why we are doing this task. Click on save. It is saved in data was saved. So it is saved in the transport request. Go back. Close this window. We define controlling area. Now our task now. We need to define plant storage location. See here our role is to create the plant. So in order to create that, we need to go to the logistics general. Here we can have one option called define valuation level. Okay. See, the company is valuating the materials or something like what is the value of some warehouses like that. It will have to check some valuations, right? Okay.
Yeah.
From FI point of view, they need to check each and everything in valuation. At the end of the day, they will do some accounting entries and some task will be available at the end of the month. Okay, how much profit is generated, how much revenue is generated, how much loss it makes the company. Like that, it will have some valuations. Okay, so for that purpose, we need to activate that valuation level initially. Okay, that is nothing but a defined valuation level. Click on execute. SAP always recommends to maintain valuation area at plant level, not at company code level. Why? Because, for example, if you maintain that company code level, okay, valuation area, if you maintain at company code level, uh, let's assume plant A is located at Hyderabad and plant B is located at Bangalore. Okay, plant A is in plant A, nothing but Hyderabad location. The users are buying so many Honda cars, and the revenue and profit is very good at Hyderabad. Okay, when compared to Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore having buying very less cars, and also the profits are not so good in Bangalore. Let's assume like this. If you maintain that valuation level at company code area, then it does not have the ability to check whether the Hyderabad having the better profits or Bangalore having the better profits, right? So if you check the valuation area at company code level directly, when you maintain it plant level, then it will check individual plant, and it will have that like the Bangalore is having a less profits because nobody was buying so many cars. So we need to increase the advertisements over there, or else we need to initiate to the people like that. They will have some idea about it if you maintain it plant level. Okay, that is the reason why the SAP recommends to maintain it valuation area is at plant level. Okay, you got it right? Because man valuation area at plant level, see it is in display mode as well. Now go back, and now we are going to create the plant now. Here you can see define, copy, delete, check plant. Click on execute. Here you can see the define plan, right? Select it and click on choose. Here you can see so many plans were available. So we need to create our new plans, right? So in SAP, do not create every time the new entries, just copy the existing plant and change the names. Okay, the SAP recommends you need to copy the existing plant and change the description, what are the requirements you have, because everything was interlinked inside the SAP system. Okay, that is the reason why do not create every time the new entries. I'm selecting this plan, click on copy as. I will change the code name. For example, Honda Motors. Let me maintain as HPL1, Honda Plant 1. Okay. What is the plant name? Like Honda Manufacturing Plant is okay. Enter. It will be asking the address. It is a plant. Okay. It is asking whether it is a plant is a company or a single person, or it is asking it is a company. And Honda Manufacturing. Okay. The system I'm giving as Honda. Let me delete the address and put it as it is also located at that. Okay. See, the plant was copied, and I'm going to create another plant. Let me select this plant and click on copy. I will change it to okay plant 2. Now, for example, it is something like Honda something plant company. Honda is the system. Let me maintain it as some Bangalore location. Partially is not belongs to Bangalore, I think. It's not a problem, just it is a test purpose, right? Let me maintain it is in India. Okay. So we define two plants here. One is manufacturing plant and another one is on assembling plant. Click on save and saved it to the transport request. So data was saved. So we define company code, controlling area, plants. Now we are going to define storage location. Go back. Close this logistics general, go to materials management. Here you can see storage location, maintain storage location. Click on execute. It is asking under which plant you want to create the storage location. I want to create under HPL1 plant. Okay. Here, let me create a new storage locations. Here you can see no entries are available. Click on new entries. I'm maintaining it as H11 on the storage location 1. Okay. H12 on the storage location 2. Okay, H11, H22. Save it. Go back. We define under plant 1. Now we are going to define under plant 2. HPL2 enter. Click on new entries. H21. Now H11 is for plant 1. It is also storage location 1. H22 on the storage location. Okay. Now we define storage location under plants. What is the next thing we need to define? Purchasing organization. Right here you can see maintain purchasing organization. Click on execute. Let us do one thing. We have a central purchasing system and decentral purchasing system. Today let us create one central purchasing system. Click on new entries. Let me give as on the purchasing org. Okay. HPO. Okay. Let me maintain otherwise. Let me maintain as HPO. On the purchasing organization. Okay. Save it. See, we defined HDPO as on the purchasing organization. So we defined all the individual organization elements. Now we need to assign them. Okay. We defined company, we defined company code, plant, purchasing organization, controlling area, storage location, all these elements we define. Now we're going to connect all of them, right? So till now we configured under definition. Close this definition now. Go to assignment now. Okay. Go to financial accounting again. Here you can see assign company code to company. Click on execute. What is our company code? HMOD. Enter. See, it is having blank. Click on this button so that you can search for our company. What is our company? Honda. Select it. So it is copied. Now save it. So the company was assigned, sorry, the company code is assigned to company. Close this financial accounting, go to controlling, assign company code to controlling area. Click on execute. What is our controlling area? HMOD. Select it. And here you can see small folder, assignment of company code. Select the controlling area. Click on this assignment of company code. Here no entries available. Click on new entries. Here we need to maintain our company code. Enter. Honda Motorcycle. Save. Okay. Data was saved. So it was completed. Now go to Logic General. Assign plan to company code. Execute. Here we need to assign the plans to company code. Click on new entries. What is our company code? HMOD. And HPL1 is our plan. And HMOD, we define two plans, right? You need to enter two entries here. Okay, enter. See, on the manufacturing plan, on the save. So we assign plans to company code. See, here we assigned company to company code and controlling area to company code and plans to company code. Now we are going to do the storage location to plant. But we already assigned, sorry, Joseph?
Yeah, please go.
Yeah. We already defined the storage location under the plant. So we do not need to assign again. Okay. During the creation of storage location, the system asks under which plant you want to create the storage locations, right? So already the assignment was completed. We don't need to assign the storage location again. Okay. And now we are going to do the purchasing organization assignment. Let us go with central purchasing system. Okay. So for central purchasing, what we need to do? We need to assign the same purchasing organization to company code, same purchasing organization to the plants, right? This is the central purchasing system. If it is decentral, means each plant will be having individual purchasing organizations, right?
Yes.
Let us go with the central purchasing system. Go to metals management. Here you can see purchasing organization to company code, purchasing organization to plant. And also we already discussed about it, reference purchasing organization. And also we discussed about the standard purchasing organization. You remember, right?
Yes.
Let us assign purchasing organization to company code first. Click on execute. What is our purchasing organization? HTPO. I already told you about it. Single purchasing organization will be assigned to this single company code, right? See, it is having only single entry. We don't have to enter multiple company codes. Okay. What is our company code? HMOD. So we assigned our company code to the purchasing organization. And again, assign purchasing organization to plants. But here we can maintain for a multiple purchasing organizations. We can assign multiple plants to the single purchasing organization, right? Click on new entries. Let me maintain HTPO, HPL1. Okay. HTPO, HPL2. It is our plan. Okay. Now assign standard purchasing organization to the plan. We can take one of the organization as a standard. I already told you about that. You right? What is our plant? HPL1. We can make it as we are having only a single purchasing organization using. So that purchasing organization can be used as a standard. If you are using a individual also, we can maintain that. Okay. So assign standard purchasing organization to the plans. Now assign purchasing organization to reference purchasing, but it is a central system. Okay, we are having a single purchasing organization. We don't require to use a reference here, because if you are using a multiple purchase equations, then we can use as a reference. Okay, right? But we are using a central system, so not required to assign purchasing organization to reference. If you want, If the business requires, then you can use it. Okay. So this is how we do the configuration for enterprise structure. And also we are left with one thing like we will define one purchasing group, right? Purchasing group is nothing but a group of people or a single person who is responsible to procure the materials from the external sources, right? So we will define during the master data time, or else if you want to go and create the purchasing group as well, we can do that. Go to materials management here, go to purchasing. Here you can see create purchasing groups. Here we can create the purchasing groups. Okay, click on execute. Here you can see the purchasing groups. Let me maintain a new entry here, HPG. Okay, on the purchasing group. On the purchasing group. If it is having any telephone number, fax number, you can maintain, or any email address, you can maintain, and all other things. Click on save. It will not be assigned to any other organization or any other plant or something. Okay, it will be created at a client level. Okay, this is how we define the enterprise structure completely. Okay, if you want to see that structure by visualization, you can see this here. You can see the structure, right? In SAP also you can see like this structure. I will show you that. We defined company code, right? Go to that company code definition. Here you can see the company code we defined. Click on execute, copy. We have done some task, right? Copy. Here you can see the small structure button. Click on this structure and go to navigation. Continue. Here you can see so many companies are available here. Let us search for our company. Click Control F in your keyboard. Okay, simply Control F, or else you can see this here find button. Click on this find button. Here, let me give as a Honda, or else give as HMOT. Both will be same. Enter. It will be search for our company code. Click on it. Here you can see, right? Put the cursor here. You can see small red color rectangle box is coming. It means selected. Click on details. Choose. This is the structure. What we define? This is a company. Company name is what? Honda. Honda is assigned to company code. If you click on this plus button, it will show the company code name. See? HMOT. Honda is assigned to HMOT. And as controlling area, HMOT controlling area is assigned to company code, right? If you click on it, you can see the company code assigned. And also we define the plans. Okay. Plant is assigned to
Controlling area.
Oh, plant is assigned to. Plant is assigned to
purchase organization.
Purchase and also company code, right? It is linked to company code and it is linked to purchasing organization, right? Now, if you open this one, it will show you two entries. One is company code and another one is purchasing organization. See. And also it is assigned to storage locations as well, right? So storage locations, company code, purchasing organization. You can see, right? So this is the structure we define. And purchasing organization also assigned to company code and plans. This is how we done the configuration for enterprise structure. Any questions?